Hello everyone, I'm Lonnie, and I am back to share some delicious food with you. Today, we're making rolling donkey, a Beijing snack. Without further ado, let's get started. First, prepare a bowl of soybeans. Put them into a blender and grind them into soybean powder. Then set aside. This step provides a key ingredient for the following process. Next, pour 250 grams of flour into a clean bowl. Add a small amount of water and use chopsticks or another tool to stir. If the water is insufficient, add a little more until the mixture becomes a uniform batter. Then, line a steamer tray with gauze. Pour the batter onto the gauze in the steamer tray. Place the tray into the steamer, cover, and steam over high heat for about 8 minutes. Remove the steamed glutinous rice dough from the steamer. After that, sprinkle the soybean powder on a cutting board. Place the steamed glutinous rice dough on top and knead it thoroughly by hand. You can use a rolling pin to evenly distribute the soybean powder and roll it into a sheet. Spread a layer of red bean paste evenly over the rolled dough sheet. Roll the sheet into a long strip, then evenly sprinkle 3 teaspoons of white sugar over the strip. Cover with the remaining soybean powder. Finally, use a knife to cut the strip into small pieces about 3 centimeters wide. Arrange them on a plate, and they are ready to be served. Friends, you must try our rolling donkey, a Beijing snack. If you like this video, don't forget to let me know. If you find it helpful, please like and share. Thank you all for watching. Until next time.